This biker saw a truck driver who parked his truck in the bicycle lane. The cyclist asked him the reason, and he told that his truck has got a problem.
I've got a problem with the lorry. I can't block the road. That's why I'm here. I'm sorry for that.
Sorry what, Lord, mate?
I'm sorry for that. I've got a problem with the lorry.
Running,
I can't block the road.
There's a side street there, you can pull in there.
But I can't go there. It's a lorry problem.
Your engine's running.
The pressure is leaking. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. I didn't do that.
Was he telling the truth? Comment below. Quick heads up before the next video, our channel recently got a strike. We resolved it, but the algorithm hasn't recovered. Views dropped fast. If you're watching this, we need your help. Like this video and comments still here to help us bounce back. It takes 2 seconds, and it could bring this channel back to life. Now enjoy the video. This rider was riding perfectly fine when out of nowhere, going into the freeway, his Street Bob motorcycle slipped due to oil on the road. Oh.
No, estoy bien. ¿Solo me puede ayudar a levantarla? Yeah, man, thank you. Man. I think it's the oil that. Thank you, guys. No, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, though. Shit.
We don't do a lot of damage, so you're good. Just a brake pedal.
Yeah, just. Muchas gracias. Thank you. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. See. Yeah, I think it's like oil or something like that, because it's like really slippery right there.
This rider saw an accident and made the decision not to stay in the danger zone. He stopped after that to call 999 to set up TP Marshal and 995 for ambulance. This biker crashed his Ninja bike on Rivington Rideout. The biker was okay, but the bike got totaled.
Oh, come on, bro. Yes, I think so. Bike's not. Oh. Bent my arms back the wrong way. Yes, I can move. Yeah. You want to get an ambulance? No, I'm alright, pal. You're all right, I'm alright, honestly. It's just bent my arms backwards.
What? Right, just stay there.
Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right, just stay there. Right,
Give it a wobble, Lisa.
This biker was accelerating his Ninja 400 motorcycle when the front end lost grip because the track was still cold. A woman CRV driver almost hit the biker when she kept moving forward on a left turn only lane. Watch how the biker confronts her. Comment your thoughts.
Whoa. What the fuck are you doing? Seriously? Appreciate it. Yeah, she almost hit me moving into my lane.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I had to move over here. She damn near hit me.
This biker came to a parking lot palooza at the football stadium when a Karen squares off against his buddy.
Oh yeah, I got my own little corner here.
I must be in the front row.
Awesome. VIP parking, baby.
Motorcycles, man.
Was that guy giving you some crap?
Oh no, he was trying to tell us to go down. You know what? Parking was. I mean, we could have parked for it, but I don't want to eat up a record for you.
Yeah.
Usually I always park in the little white area here.
Yeah.
That they don't want cars. They're perfect for motorcycles. Nobody's gonna park with them, and they give them a car, no problem.
I agree. I think these were made for the motorcycles.
So too. Whatever have you wanted to do,
That's right. Cool. And
you come here during the preseason games. See where the public thing is?
yeah.
That's not there. You can park your bike there.
I'll move my car so you guys can have the space. How about that?
What's that?
I'll move my car so you guys can have the space. How about that?
Oh, you don't have to.
No,
I parked here on purpose not to have a lot of parking around.
Oh, that's why we park there too, so everybody's.
I see that.
Well, she's got a very expensive Subaru.
Come closer. I'm worried about my
Down
motorcycle.
parking space.
What's that?
Down parking space. Down parking space.
You sure about that? Come here all the time. We're season ticket over. You always. That's
You know what? We are too.
motorcycle.
How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that? How about that?
What the hell is that all about?
Emotional damage.
She doesn't want anybody around her car.
We take him. If we would have gone and parked in the parking place, people would drive by. Nah, motherfucking motorcycles and tickle my place. Here we're fucking. You can't win. That's.
Oh well, we're here to have fun.
Okay, bitch. You're fucking hanging over there if you want to do that. Well, you really want to.
She was over the line.
Oh, yeah, her car was like right here.
That's right. Let me play back the video. Yep, I got it.
Throw the flag.
Yep, exactly. Look at this. You're getting all pre-gamed out here. The more swag,
Exactly, dude.
the better chances we'll win.
That's it, man.
We're playing Carolina today, right?
Yeah.
So we should win.
No, stop!
Okay.
God dang it!
Don't curse
The
it.
team.
Okay.
We won last week, and the week before last, we played all shitty teams. We played down to their level. Okay, that's all I got to say.
Okay.
If we ain't up by a fucking touchdown or two going to the fourth quarter, I'll be biting nails. That's all I got to say.
All right, well, let's check out this VIP spread that we're about to.
This rider was seconds from disaster. His tires suddenly blew out beneath him. Yet, against all odds, he managed to keep the bike upright. A miracle on two wheels.
fucking right. Woo! My fucking tire popped. Fuck. God damn it. Woohoo! Almost died. Son of a bitch. Dude, I don't know. I was coming over the hill. I went to fucking change lanes.
In the next clip, a biker rides calmly, just minding his own lane, when a car driver abruptly changes lanes, trying to avoid a crash he caused by following too closely. But the irony? He still slams into the red car he was trying to dodge. An e-bike rider is cruising forward, until a vehicle suddenly veers into his path. There was no time to react. Impact was unavoidable.
I'm okay. Didn't expect that car to just go in front of me.
Finally, at the racetrack, another rider loses control mid-turn. His speed, the angle, everything was just slightly off. And that's all it takes for a devastating crash. That's it for today. Remember to ride safe and be aware on roads. Hit that like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for thrilling videos. See you in the next one.